back 30 years. If I wanted to go to the library and check out War and Peace, well, I'd go to the card catalog, I'd look up the title, find the location, go to the shelf, get the book, and then go check it out. If I just knew that it was Tolstoy and fiction, I could walk straight to the shelf, get the book, and then check it out. But now the hard part, the month of reading it that it's going to take me to get through War and Peace. Today, I can go to a computer terminal, look up the book. I can choose whether I want it in book format, audio, or movie, find the location, go to the shelf, get my chosen medium, go check it out. I can still walk to the shelf if I just know I want to get a book and check it out that way, but I still gotta read it. Or I gotta have someone read it to me while I drive around town, or I gotta try to watch the visual content by watching the movie. If you're a Russian literature professor or purist, then you don't believe that I get enough of what Tolstoy was trying to convey to the audience from just watching the movie. Now imagine that library is how we access procedures. The book is the procedures, and still a big book. Except for now, technology is serving it up in different ways. There's the OE websites, there's standalone services, well, there's even in some estimating systems what I need. But I still have to read it. Some people can just read it and get it. Some people, like me, tend to need to be part of a book club so that we can discuss it and work through it all together. As a shop owner, well, I'm focused on the book report. In the end, that's the only final grade my customer is counting on me for, and they want me to get an A+, not a C-. As we head into 2020, no matter what solution or combination of solutions you choose to add to your facility, do not lose track of the reading. And occasionally, maybe give your team a few book reports to write for practice before that real big test.